Now from WTBM, this is Business Break with your host, Taylor Kinkade.
Hey y'all, and welcome in. Today we're talking with the Grossman Law Firm, and joining me is Deborah Mitchell. Thanks for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, we have some people who, if they need advice, if they're thinking about filing for Social Security disability, what kind of tips do you have for them?
Okay, so I would tell them the first thing is do not wait, because it can be a very lengthy process. So the longer you wait, the longer the process could possibly take. It's a three-step process between application, reconsideration, and the hearing level. So if someone has a condition, physical and or mental impairment that has lasted or is expected to last at least 12 months. Now, 12 months do not have had to pass before they apply for benefits, but if the condition is going to last that long, then I suggest that they go ahead and think about applying for benefits. And one of the things that if they're working and they're thinking about applying, if they have short or long-term disability benefits, that's something that they can get and can currently file for Social Security disability. And that kind of helps get them through the process from a financial standpoint, because there's some confusion there. Okay, can I get my short-term disability, my workman's comp if they got hurt on the job, and still apply for disability? The answer to that question is yes. And also, if one has maybe retired, say city, state, or federal retirement, military or civilian, regardless if it's federal and or city or state, and they're thinking about disability, they can still get Social Security disability benefits while they're receiving the retirement from the state or the federal government or city. And it doesn't have to be just a disability retirement. Okay. So it could be a regular retirement and they can still get Social Security as well. So that's a big area of confusion there.
Now, you mentioned it's a process. What kind of timeline can people expect with this?
Generally, it's not as long as it used to be. So I would say between 12 and 18 months to plan for that, and that's why exit plans are wonderful, and we do free consultations. If one is still working and they're thinking about applying, we can talk with them and go over an exit plan to help them get out of the work environment.
And if they need your help, because you've been doing this for a while and you know your stuff, how can they get in touch with you, and what benefits are they getting by working with you?
So I'm a nurse and an attorney, and I thoroughly understand the physical and or mental impairments as it relates to Social Security disability. So they can give us a call, 334-756-3529, visit our website, and we're happy to help in any way we can.
All right, great information today. Thank you so much for being with us. And we'll see you all on the next Business Break.
If you want to be seen on Business Break, contact us here.